A Fresno man is facing a murder charge after allegedly selling drugs that investigators say contained fentanyl. Prosecutors say 25-year-old Antoine Dupree Lee sold the drugs that left a 34-year-old woman dead. CBS 47's Jason Toktagian is here live in studio and tells us this is the second ever murder charge related to fentanyl in Fresno County. Jason.
That's right, Catherine. 25-year-old Antoine Lee had his arraignment today after a woman died from a pill containing fentanyl that Lee distributed. A person who lost a family member to fentanyl tells me it's time more people are held responsible for their actions.
25-year-old Antoine Lee pled not guilty after being charged for the fentanyl poisoning death of 34-year-old Vernisha Green. Lee allegedly sold Green the drugs last month. The judge would not allow us to show him in court. Cassidy Marie Gonzalez in 2022 was charged with the first fentanyl-related murder in Fresno County. The status of that case, a tentative jury trial is set for July 25th. Elaine Hudson lost her son to fentanyl in 2020. She says today's ruling is a step in the right direction.
Losing a child is the worst pain that you could ever imagine. And I feel like that if the penalties are harsher, maybe the drug dealers will think about it before they sell these fentanyl pills.
Since May 7th of this year, Fresno County has had 26 fentanyl deaths. Hudson wants to make sure people like Lee are held accountable.
I hope that they are able to start charging more individuals with murder because, you know, my son was murdered, and so they need to get this fentanyl off the streets. They need to get these drug dealers off the street.
District Attorney Lisa Smitkamp releasing a statement in regards to Lee's charges on May 7th, quote, "This case is an example of our collaborative efforts and we will be steadfast in seeking justice for the family of Miss Green. More broadly, we will continue to do all we can to inform our lawmakers of the need to enhance penalties for fentanyl-related crimes," end quote. A criminal defense attorney outlines what's next for Lee's case.
The next step will be a preliminary hearing in which the prosecution will put on evidence trying to establish probable cause that the suspected drug dealer knew the pills contained fentanyl and that the suspected drug dealer knew fentanyl could be deadly.
And King tells me the preliminary hearing will most likely happen at the end of this year, and Lee's next court date is scheduled for June 27th, and his bail is posted at $1.2 million. Reporting live in studio, Jason Toktagian, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.